Hello programmers, back to another Codeforces sub-solving video, and in this video I will discuss about the first problem of Codeforces round 974 division 3, and the problem name is Robin Helps. Here it says the heroic outlaw Robin Hood is famous for taking from the rich and giving to the poor. This is a good job. And Robin encounters n people starting from the first and ending with the nth. The ith person has AI gold, and if AI is greater or equal k, Robin will take all AI gold, and if AI is equal to 0, Robin will give 1 gold if he has any. Robin starts with 0 gold. Okay, and I have to calculate how many people Robin gives gold to. And in the first inputs in the input section it says first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases. In the second line it says the number, the first line of each test case contains two integers n and k. N is the size of the array and k is the value. Okay, the to check this condition, the number of people and the threshold at which Robin Hood takes the gold. The second line of its test case contains n integers a1 to an, the gold of each person. And this is a test case, so let's jump into the whiteboard to briefly discuss, or I can say just draw it. So excally draw. So if I take the first test case, for example, or I can take the third test case also. I just take the third one, so paste it here. Okay, so this is the test case, and 6 is the value of n, which is the size of the array, and 2 is the value of k. And what I have to do basically, that the checking the condition actually. Here it says the ith person has AI gold if AI is greater or equal k. If this is the case, Robin will take all AI gold from the person, and if AI is 0, then Robin will give 1 gold if he has any. So for example, I have a variable g to count the number of golds I have, and I have a variable uh, count, or cnt, to count the number of people I gave gold. Okay, so for if we iterate a for loop over this array, then for the first iteration I have number 0, that means I have 0 gold. And in the question says if the person have 0 gold, then I have to give 1 gold to that person, but I have not any gold in my uh, mm, money bag or something else, or you can say anything. So I does not have anything, so that's why I can't give any gold to that person. So move to the next iteration, which is 3. And mm, what I have to do, just grab all the gold from this person, and uh, include it to my bag. And the number of gold is 3, and count is equal to what? For now it's 0, because didn't give any gold to any person. Okay, so my second iteration is done. So first iteration is done, second one is done. In the third iteration, I found that this person has 0 gold, and since the condition is if a person haven't have not any gold, then I have to give 1. So what I can do, just mm, since I have 3 goals, so I just subtract 1 from it, and it becomes 2, and increase the count value to 1. So it will be 1. Okay, so in the fourth test case, I also got 1, so I have to give 1 goal to that person. So uh, so the two value will be decreased to 1 and one value will be increased to 2. Also, I have to check that this condition is met or not. AI is greater than or equal k, and in this case, k value is 2. So here the second value is 3. I didn't check it here. Also, I have to check it here because this is the condition actually. So ai ai is greater than or equal k. This is the condition here. In this case, my ai value is 3, and 3 is obviously greater than or equal to 2. So that's why I jump into this section. Okay, so obviously I have to calculate this condition before jump into this section, because for example, if the value ai value is 2, or sorry, if the ai value is 1, I can take the gold from this person, because I need some value, such a value which is greater than or equal to k. So I hope you understand it. So after that, in the fifth iteration, I again get 0. So what I have to do, just um, subtract 1 from it, so it becomes a 0, and account increase the count value to 3. Okay, okay. After that, I again get 1 0. So in the sixth iteration, I received 0, but I have not any gold in my bag, or some, you can say anything, uh, in my gold variable. So I can't give any gold to that person. That's why uh, I have to continue. Since no other values is present here, so my loop will be end here. So after the loop, I what the value of the count variable, and this is will be the answer. The value of the count variable is what? 3. So this is the answer. So if I look at the demo test case, and I found 3 as the answer. Okay, so now let's jump into the code. I already submitted it, and you already see twice while I shift between those tabs. So this is the source code of this problem. I just zoom a little bit more. At first, I take the test case as input and run a while loop with condition t minus minus. After that, I take the n value and k value from the user, and take a vector with size n. The vector is v, and take two variable. Uh, Use two variable basically. One is count and another one is gold. What in this case, just write g and count cnt, and I just write cnt and gold. Both of the value I assigned 0 initially. After that, I just run a for loop. Basically it is a for auto loop, and in this case, just take the value I from the user, and if the I value is greater than or equal to k, basically this condition, if this condition meets, I have to do something. So what I have to do, I have to just grab the gold from the user, and this is a condition for this. And after that, I have to calculate that if I value is 0, that means if any person doesn't have any gold, that means I is equal to 0, and I have gold. Okay, and because this here it says Robin will give 1 gold if he has any. So if I have any gold, then I can give gold to that person. So that's why. So if the person have 0 gold and I have any gold in my bag, so or I can send, I can give 1 gold to that person. So I just increase the counter and gold minus minus, so the gold value decreased by 1 and count value will increase by 1. And then finally I just printed the value count, and this will be my answer. And you already see this is accepted, and this is the solution. I hope you understand everything. Thanks for cooperation. uh, okay, till then, tata, bye bye, see you on another video. Okay.